Imagine yourself in this 1966 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include G81 Posi traction rear axle, complete $10 to $400 mechanical freshening in 2008, at 1 to 506 miles, additional $300 to $300 spent under the hood freshening in service in 2012, F41 special front rear suspension, power antenna, optional rear axle ratio 4.11, C7 auxiliary hardtop, U69 AM/FM radio, and C5 convertible top white. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.